on the front line need top-of-the-line performance to get their jobs done. TOUGHBOOK 56 brings high-performance computing to the rugged edge for the demands of modern work. Intel's Ultra Series 2 processor makes data-intensive and AI tasks a breeze. For even more power, the optional AMD 8GB D GPU can be used to assist with AI tasks or boost graphics performance. New X-Pack areas focus on what matters most to frontline workers, getting the job done and getting it done quickly, when every second counts. TOUGHBOOK 56 is 5G ready with expanded connectivity to major wireless carriers, faster upload speeds, and seamless integration, and support for dedicated first responder networks, as well as private cellular networks and satellite communications, provides complete coverage in even the most remote environments. It's engineered with advanced thermodynamics and heat dispersion, because work never stops. TOUGHBOOK, made for performance in the most demanding jobs.